So you're gonna hit live view after you turn the camera on, and you're gonna have your LCD screen populate with the image it's seeing. And as you can see, the white dot is on camera right now. So all you gotta do to get it to video is flip this switch here. Boom. So now, this is on video. So you have a better look at it. This is on video now. And the next move is to focus. And however you have your focus set up, and then record. So now we're recording, and that's about it. So all you gotta do is hit that, and you're recording. I was demonstrating earlier, you hit live view and you'll get this populated, and make sure the slider here is pointing at the video. You can adjust your shutter speed. Here's 1/45. I'm shooting at 60 because I'm at 24. Because I'm shooting at 24 frames a second, so my shutter is 60. Anyway, to change your video shooting mode, you want to hit info down here, and you're going to go to frame size, frame rate. So the camera does not shoot at 4K. The Nikon D750 does not shoot 4K, but it does shoot 1080 at 60, 1080 at 50, 1080 at 30, 1080 at 25, 1080 at 24, 720s, 720, 60, 720, 50. So there's a lot of shooting modes to shoot with. But all those, everybody out there who freaks out if you're not shooting in 4K, I guess this camera is not gonna be for you. But it does take quality video alongside quality photos. So if you're really heavy on photos, and you do a little bit of video shooting, this is a great camera. If you're movie heavy, or if you're video heavy and a little bit of photos, I would look at a different camera. But if you're photo heavy with little video, or still if you do a lot of video with this camera, it's great. What else? Just more of the shooting menus here. I'll show you. Yeah, adjust it. The movie quality that you want high. Microphone sensitivity if you want to go down, as you can see. Mine is at 8 because it's not too high on that. Frequency response, whatever you want. Destination of your SD cards. That's a wrap, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Some things just remember. This is the Nikon D750. I think the biggest takeaway for most of the photo and video crowd who are looking at cameras that have the dual ability is the 4K feature. If 4K is not a big deal and you're really focusing on photos, highly recommend this camera. You're still shooting at 1080 at 60, 1080 at 50, 30, 25, 24, whatever. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and stay tuned for the next video. Gonna be dropping one every day, whether it's related to camera, travel, hiking, how-tos. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in.